Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is another what would you make, more about that in the video, but let's jump right in. I only have 2 DIYs for you today, guys. So I'm starting with this first one. This is a little candle holder or glass, and I'm deciding to just jazz this up a little bit. I took a pack of the wood slices from Dollar Tree, and the pieces are not all the same size, so you have to go through and measure to make sure that you're using all at least the same size. So here I am just trying to even them out to see which ones were the same before I started gluing them on. And these wood slices are very functional. They can be used for many different things, but I'm using it for this today. I'm now going to wrap the base with some jute just to cover some of that glass. And you don't have to add hot glue all the way around. You just start with a little bit and then start wrapping, and then add a little bit more. And once you get the first line covered, then you can wrap until you get to the end. And these are not Christmas DIYs, these are everyday farmhouse DIYs. You know, you have to have that sometimes. And of course you can do whatever you want to do with these. This is a little vase you can, decorate for Christmas. And then after Christmas, just add some flowers for whatever the season is or the reason. So once I did that, I took the lighter and I just burned off the little fuzzies. And now I'm ready to glue on the pieces. And I did that all the way around until I came to the end. And thankfully they all fit perfectly in the space around the glass. I didn't have to cut any or, pull them off and even them out. They all fit perfectly. And I was happy with that. And this is done. But then I took it a step further. I thought about it for a little bit. Do I want to stain this? Do I want to leave it plain? But then I decided to just add a little antiquing wax. So I used a small paintbrush, applied that, and then a baby wipe and just wipe off the excess because I didn't want it too dark. Let me know in the comments, guys, whether you think I should have left it plain or the stain on it is also good. And when I was done, I just added some Mod Podge to seal that. And that's all there is to this one. More in the final reveal. So this is another what would you make challenge. And if you are new here, we use anything wood for this playlist. And this is hosted by Connie from Connie's Wood Shop and DIYs, and Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. And our guest host is Mary from Craft Away with May. I will leave links to their channels down in the description box below, as well as the playlist. And if you're not sure where to find the description box, is below that word that says more. Just click that and it will drop down the description box. Now we're jumping into our second DIY. These are 2 of those little boxes from Dollar Tree. I had these in my stash, and as you notice, I had stained them before because I had planned to use them for another DIY and didn't get the chance to do that. So now this is the perfect time. Here I am just using this little screwdriver kit that came from the order section at the Dollar Tree, and I'm removing the metal tag from the front of the boxes. And once I did that, to secure the screws and make sure I don't lose them, I'm just using a piece of masking tape to just tape them down along with the tags. This is also a plank that came from a pack of 6 from Dollar Tree. I'm also using that, and I'm just using some wood glue as well as hot glue to glue that on. This is to connect both boxes together. As you can see, or as you may notice, I put on the glue incorrectly on the small one here, but anyway, that is an easy fix. So I just took a piece of or a baby wipe and just removed the excess. And this is a mini tier tray that I'm making. So once I did that, I took the heavy duty stapler and just stapled that, and that's for additional support. I also used a little lightweight spackle to just cover the staple holes. Next, I gave it a coat and a half of this Oops paint that I got from the hardware store, and this paint gives very good coverage, so all I needed was one good coat and then just a half of it to like touch it up a little bit. And now it's all dry. I have this pack of rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree, and I thought that just adding some to the box would give it a good embellished look. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And now it's all done. Now I'm going in to cover the inside with a piece of this contact paper that I got from the 99-cent store. So I took a piece of paper and just made a template for the inside and then traced that onto the contact paper and cut that out. And then inserted them to the inside of both boxes. Next, I replaced the metal tags, screw those back in. And then after I screwed them in, I realized that, but Christine, you haven't Mod Podged to seal everything yet. So here I am now just applying some Mod Podge to seal everything. And this little tier tray or organizer, whatever you choose to call this, is complete. Now let's check out the final reveal. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the playlist, the host channels as well. This playlist is always filled with inspiration on how you can use wood. I love them both, but the tier tray is absolutely my favorite, but that's just me. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you enjoy these two budget-friendly DIYs. They were so easy, and if you love budget-friendly content like this one and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Now is the perfect time to do so. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And to keep watching, I suggest this video, and even to binge watch a little bit more, yes, check this playlist out. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye.